Don from Winnie, Texas, has a question about buckling boards.
It's his floors. Doug writes, our 1951 pier and beam home was built with hardwood floors. And 5 years ago, we had the floors refinished for the first time, and they put a seal coat on it that would allow them to damp mop the house. Well, the buckling started 2 months ago, and it's pretty bad. The contractors say we have to have the subfloor insulated with closed-cell foam to fix this. Doug needs your advice.
First off, that's not going to fix it if it's buckling. You're going to have it sanded and refinished. And I would tell you the reason in 1951 they didn't have those kind of sealants
like
for floors.
The
urethanes and whatever this one. So you can wet mop a wood floor. That makes no sense at all to me why you would put a sealer on there so you could wet mop.
He said damp mop. That's different.
No. It's water. Water and wood floors
trying to help you, Doug. I'm here to
go
stand
together
up for you. Okay.
And so it can't breathe. And we've had really wet year. Actually, the last 2 years started with Harvey, right? 2 years, August. It's been incredibly wet. The entire Houston area is changing because of these floods. It's just the way it is. Whether it's global warming or not, I'm not getting into that. It's just the soils.
Excuse me. Climate change.
Whatever. It's just been a couple of rough years, okay? So it's...
Oh, boy.
It's all it is.
It's been almost 4 rough ones, but keep going.
Okay, yeah. Well, Ike started in 2009. But anyway, go all the way back to Allison and Francis. The bottom line is this. It's the finish. I would have the floor refinished, and I would do it with a wax finish so it breathes. Because that's in 1951 how they did it, and that's why your floor lasted from 1951 till 5 years ago. I'm not going to do the math. And now we had 2 wet years, and look what happened. The finish can't handle releasing the moisture. Spray foaming is not the answer. It's just adding to the problem.
I'd say it's almost 60 years.
Yeah.
Ciphering over here.
Well, I was born in 58, and I'm 61, so that's got to be about 60 years.
I'm not good with math either.
Yeah.
That's why I married an Aggie. All right, do you have a question?
I don't know.
Go ahead and send us.
My wife's from Berkeley.
Happy to help you.
Communist.
Sorry, I went to school in Boston. Trust me. But
I'm at University of Miami. Party, dude. So go ahead, please. Finish.
I chose the only college in Boston that didn't have a PE requirement.
There you go. Nice.
All right, you got a question? We are happy to help you out. And tell us where you went to school, too. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.